the fraction 7/8 is what percent of 4? Remember, is representing equal sign. Of represents multiplication. What percent is my n? And copy down 4 and 7/8. Let me write this equation one more time, and I have 7/8 is equal n times 4. I'm looking for n. In order to find n, I have to eliminate 4. In order to do that, I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is next to n, because I have multiplication. Okay, remember I can do this kind of reduction only for multiplication. So 4 and 4 will cancel out. In order to make this problem more visible, I'm going to add parentheses to my fraction. Because I'm dealing with fraction in the numerator, I'm going to also convert 4 to fraction by write 4/1. Remember, fraction bar represents division. Okay, so I'm going to write n equals, anytime you divide fractions, you have to copy first fraction down, division change to multiplication, and find the reciprocal of the second fraction. So I'm going to have 7/8, copy down first fraction, you can add the parentheses, divide, you have to change to the multiplication, and simply write the reciprocal, 1/4, okay? If you want to add parentheses, it's okay. If not, it's also okay. Now, we cannot reduce any numerator with any denominator, okay? So I'm going to simply multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 7 times 1 is equal 7. 8 times 4 is 32. Now, I get this fraction. I have to get back to the problem. The problem is saying what percent. So I have to convert this fraction to percents. So I have to multiply this by 100%. And again, I'm going to convert 100% to fraction because I have a fraction over here. Now, 32 and 100, both of them are divisible by 4. By 4. So I have 7/32 divided by 4 is 8, times 100 divided by 4 is 25/1. Okay, so I'm going to have n equals 7 times 25 is equal to 175/8. Okay, don't forget about percents. We have percents. Okay, now this is example of the improper fraction. I'm going to convert improper fraction to the mixed number. 175 I have to divide by 8. How many times 8 goes into 17? Twice. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract. I have 1. Bring down 5. How many times 8 goes into 15? 1. 1 times 8 is 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. So my answer is going to be equal 21 and 7/8. That's why my final answer is 21 and 7/8%.